Now this is an interesting one. I'm going to talk to you about cabin filters. We're going to replace a cabin filter in this car, which is behind the glove box, and each car, each make and model has them in different places. To do this job, the only thing you're going to need is a replacement cabin air filter. Just check your manual or ask the Repco store to make sure you get the right one. First of all, we open the glove box lid, then we squeeze the lid at the top together. We pull away the little shocker arm. The glove box comes out really easily. Get that out of the way. Now up in here is a cover. All I'm going to do is depress the tab, remove the cover and remove the cabin filter. Now this cabin filter once would have been white, now it's actually contaminated and it has done its job, it has absorbed. So now I'm going to get a new one and I'm going to get a carbon activated one. Now the carbon has the benefit of being able to absorb fumes. We'll just remove it from the bag because I can tell you now if we put it in with the bag on it'll work no good at all. And just the reverse of pulling it out, I'm just going to slide it up into the cassette holder, place the cover back on, click it in, and now replace the glove box lid. Now there's a number of axles here that you can see. Now those axles have to line up with the base of the glove box. So if we hold it on an obscure angle like such, you should be able to click it in quite easily. There we are. Now I'll hook up the shock absorber on the side and push the door home. Make sure it works properly and shuts properly. So it's just a case of calling into a Repco store and getting the right cabin filter for your car.